We were really happy to be able to donate a drone to the Oswego Sheriff's Office. This drone technology is providing the situational awareness that they could only get via helicopter just a few years ago.
Cost effective, easy to change a battery. The thermal imaging is very accurate. You could search woodline in 10 minutes compared to a 15-minute call out of a helicopter. You could put this in the air and take the place of an officer first on scene, just to get an overview of what's actually happening. It's a safety tool. Putting this on scene first, save the life of somebody that works with you or somebody just out there as a civilian.
Empire Drone and the Sheriff's Office have kind of been growing up together. We've been outfitting the Sheriff's Department with, the latest drone technology throughout the years, and they've been, supporting us by testing our equipment. So by donating this drone, we feel in a way that we're helping our home county of Oswego County to better protect the public in general.